Okay, what I do is I come up here to reports and then I get the test tracking. When I do that, I can put the student's name in, and I'm going to put in Maynard, and it should give me what she's done. Now here it's got this, and here's her details. When I look at the details, I can see that her time was there, but elapsed time was 1 hour and 7 minutes is what she actually put into it. The finish date was here and at 8:30. So I can look at what she's doing and what she needs, and then I can question what I see that is not making sense to me. This was the easiest way that I could do, but she spent 1 hour and 7 minutes with 57 seconds on this training to get this 85. Now it won't close.